Once upon a time in the sunny hills of Jamaica, there lived a determined girl named Teresa. Ever since she was a little girl, she would watch planes take off from the nearby airport, dreaming of the day she would be among the clouds, soaring to new destinations. Teresa worked hard in school, studying every night after helping her mother sell jerk chicken at their roadside stand. Her goal? To become an air hostess and see the world. She faced challenges. Some told her it was a dream too big for someone from her little town, but Teresa's spirit was unbreakable. Finally, the day arrived when she sat for her air hostess exams. As she walked into the exam hall, butterflies flitted in her stomach, but she took a deep breath and recalled her mother's words. "Believe in yourself, and the sky will be the limit." With every question, she visualized herself in a crisp uniform, welcoming passengers with a warm smile, sharing little snippets of her Jamaican culture through stories and laughter. When the results were posted, Teresa's heart raced. As she scanned the list, her eyes widened. Her name was there. She leaped into the air, her dreams now a reality. With a radiant smile, Teresa returned home, where her mother enveloped her in a warm embrace, beaming with pride. "Next stop, the world!" she cheered. And so, Teresa embarked on her new adventure, a proud Jamaican girl flying high among the clouds, ready to tell her story to the world.